Okay, got one more box. We're still waiting on one. It'll probably be a couple weeks before I get that one. That'd be the turbo cartridge. But for now, let's open this one. MBRP exhaust. Comes with a nice coating of oil on it. Okay, here's the downpipe, and with that pack brake kit we got, we'll be cutting this weld here, and we'll be welding on that 4-inch adapter. So it'll be right out of the turbo, 4-inch. So it's going to spool good, it's going to breathe good, EGTs will be lower, and it'll make the engine happy. And that makes me happy. So there it is. Here's the end we're gonna cut off. Because factory, I think these are only like a little over 2, I think. 2.5. Not sure. Well, this might be bigger than that, but the elbows, I think, off of them stock turbos, I think they're like 2.5 or something like that. Pretty small. Okay, so here is my new exhaust. This is actually for a 2nd gen Dodge. So I'll probably end up having to buy a J-bend to put right in here or wherever the transfer case is going to be at. But it's got the profile I like on the tailpipe, and since I'm running a 2nd gen turbo and I got that pack brake, gotta cut this off and weld in that new piece, so it's 4-inch all the way from the turbo back. This thing's gonna run good and it's gonna breathe really good. I can't wait to hear it. This is an aluminized MBRP kit. Four-inch. Okay, so I'm currently still waiting on my turbo cartridge for my HX35. I'm assuming because of this whole virus thing and lots of people are at home and they're getting a stimulus check, they're buying truck parts. So whenever I placed my order, there's a few things on back order. Most of it still shipped within, a few days. The turbo cartridge is just one of them that is just going to take a little while longer. So I think it's going to ship here towards the end of the month, and usually I'll get it. I've been getting these when it says it's going to ship out, I usually get it within 3 days. So not too worried about it anyway. We still got the engine out of it, still working on the body. Really hope to wrap that up this week if I get a couple hours in between raindrops. Kind of wrapping it up. So I bought a quart of high build. So what I'm going to do is shoot the whole truck in some high build, probably 2 or 3 coats, guide coat it, wet sand it, get it as straight as I can get, and fill in any minor imperfections. I can get my tent put up, and then I can shoot my primer sealer and start working on getting this base coat, clear coat put on there. And then we can go and start shoving the motor in it, and the transmission, drive shafts, you name it. These parts, I gotta do a clutch video. We're gonna do the turbo video when I get the cartridge. Exhaust video, there's gonna be some modifications to this. Definitely the downpipe right there, because we got that pack brake. And then maybe have to do something to get this around the transfer case. I'm not sure yet. We'll find that out whenever we get to that part. But stay tuned, and definitely let me know what you guys think. How's my videos, if they're, you know, if I'm doing better with my video making, editing. Constructive criticism is welcome. So you're not gonna hurt my feelings. So let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you think. I'll keep chugging along and hopefully putting videos out that you guys like. And I'll catch you later.